Today we begin unit number 5. Unit number 5 covers numbers 6 through 10. So please take out lesson 5.1, identify and write 6. We're going to continue doing exactly what we did with our numbers 0 through 5, learning about the number and what the symbol means and different ways to represent the number. Today, we're learning how to write 6. 6 begins at the top. We come down at an angle and circle around. It looks a lot like a lowercase b. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice writing the 6, starting here and circling around. Again, starting at the top, coming down at an angle, and then circling around. And finally, we'll make one of our own. So this is the symbol that represents 6. We can also represent 6 with the number word S-I-X. Okay, so now let's look down here in the box and let's create some ways we can make 6. Well, one way we know to make 6 is just by writing the number 6. We can also write it in the form of the number word S-I-X. We can use, whoops, my X got messed up there. We can use tally marks to make 6. So when I use tally marks, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the 5th crosses through. And then 6, I would start another group. I can represent 6 with 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's lots of different ways to represent numbers. I can write the number, I can use the number word, I can make tally marks, or I can draw objects. All of these represent 6. Now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to circle the groups of 6. So I can easily eliminate this toy. I know there's only one of those, and I can look at this and I can tell you that there are 2 of those, so I'm going to eliminate that. The other things I can't quickly grasp, so I might need to count them. I know that 6 is represented by 2 groups of 3. My eyes are naturally trained to look for groups of 3, so this I can tell there's 3 here and 3 here, which makes 6. But I can go ahead and count it for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that a group of 6? Yes, it is. I need to circle the group of 6. Here I have 3 on top of 3. That is definitely a group of 6. And then over here I have a group of tennis balls. Let's see if there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Indeed there are, and I'm going to circle that because that also represents 6. All of these things represent the number 6. Let's turn our page over and continue to practice. So for in the rows that they've given us, I need to count how many animals there are in each row and circle the correct number. So these guys look like maybe guinea pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 guinea pigs. I need to circle the number 4. Next I have rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rabbits. If you're having trouble distinguishing them, it's always a good idea to just dot them, and then you know which ones you've counted. You dot as you count. And there are 6. I'm going to circle the number 6. Here I have puppies. Their colors kind of blend together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 puppies. And finally, kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kittens. I'm going to circle the number 6. At the bottom it says write the numbers 1 through 5. So I need to start with 1. And write a 1 as carefully as I can on the line. Then I'm going to write a 2, again, trying to be as neat as possible, taking this opportunity to practice writing my numbers correctly. A 4, and finally a 5. And that's all we need to do for today's lesson. Good work.